Well, good morning. My name is Jeanette Velarde. I'm the purchasing agent with the Riverhead Central School District. Today, I am going to conduct 4 bid openings. The first bid opening will be RH 21-006, Irrigation Systems Installation, Repair, and Maintenance. I've received 1 bid response. The affidavit of non-collusion has been signed and notarized. The vendor's name is Lindsay Irrigation Incorporated from Laurel, New York. Okay. The following. The annual cost to winterize the irrigation system at Riverhead High School, 3 clocks, 32 zones, and domestic line and track, $250. The annual cost to winterize the system for the Riverhead Middle School, 2 clocks, 15 zones. The proposed cost is $200. The annual cost for Phillips Avenue Elementary School, 3 clocks, 17 zones, $150. The annual cost for Roanoke Avenue Elementary School, 1 clock, 4 zones, $110. The annual cost for Pulaski Street Elementary School, the Lohan and 9/11 Memorial at Pulaski Street Elementary School, 2 clocks, 33 zones, $200. The annual cost for the Riley Avenue Elementary School, 2 clocks, 12 zones, $125. The annual cost for Aquabog Elementary School, 1 clock, 10 zones, $110. The annual cost for the Buildings and Grounds Department, 927 North Griffin Avenue, Riverhead, 1 clock, 6 zones, $125. The annual cost for to winterize the system at the concession stand, 1 clock, 6 zones, $100. The annual cost to winterize the system at the Pulaski Street Personnel Building, 1 domestic line, $100. The cost of a replacement sprinkler head, the brand Hunter PGP, $39.50 each. The labor rates, the mechanic hourly labor rate, straight time, $110 per hour. Overtime, $110 per hour. Weekend and holiday, $150 per hour. And that concludes the opening for bid number RH 21-005, Irrigation Systems Installation, Repair, and Maintenance. Okay, we're going to move on to the next bid. This bid is RH 21-006, parking lot seal coating, crack repair, and line striping. I've received 5 bid responses. The first bid is received from Hudson Valley Pavement Incorporated, in Wappinger Falls, New York. The affidavit of non-collusion is signed and notarized. Okay. The cost for 10,000 square feet, and this will be the unit cost. New asphalt, 1.5 inches thick, $2 per square foot. Saw cutting, removal of asphalt and filling 2 inches. The cost per square foot is $3. Seal coating for 2 coats, 22 cents per square foot. Crack filling, using less than 400 gallons, the cost would be $25 per gallon. Crack filling, using more than 400 gallons, the cost would be $30 per gallon. Striping, the cost per linear foot, 40 cents. Restriping an existing layout, the cost per linear foot is 30 cents. The next proposal received is from A&L Blacktop Incorporated. The affidavit of non-collusion is signed and notarized. Okay. All right, this vendor calculated the cost. We made an assumption that if the area to apply new asphalt at 1.5 inches thick was 10,000 square feet, he's submitting a proposal cost of $37,500. Saw cutting, removal of asphalt and filling 2 inches with an assumption that the area would be 10,000 square feet. His cost is $35,000. Seal coating for 2 coats with an assumption that the area would be 350,000 square feet. His proposal is for $56,000. Crack filling less than 400 gallons. The assumption is using 250 gallons. His cost would be $2,750. Crack filling for greater than 400 gallons, assuming they used 400 gallons, the cost would be $4,400. Striping, assumption that there are 10,000 linear feet for striping, his cost is $30,000. Restriping an existing layout, the assumption is 10,000 linear feet, his cost is $25,000. The next bid proposal is from Parkline Asphalt Maintenance Incorporated from Brookhaven, New York. The affidavit of non-collusion is signed and notarized. Okay, new asphalt, 1.5 inches. The cost per square foot is 1 penny per square foot. Saw cutting, removal of asphalt and filling 2 inches. The cost per square foot is 1 penny. Seal coating for 2 coats. The cost per square foot is 25 cents per square foot. Crack filling, less than 400 gallons. The cost per gallon is $40. Crack filling, the cost greater than 400 gallons. The cost per gallon is $40. Striping, the cost per linear foot, $1.25. Restriping an existing layout, the cost per linear foot is $1. The next bid received is from Guashti Paving Associates from Massapequa, New York. Of non-collusion is 3 cents per square foot. Crack filling, less than 400 gallons. The cost per gallon is $20 per gallon. Crack filling greater than 400 gallons. The cost per gallon is $20 per gallon. Striping, the cost per linear foot is 62 cents per linear foot. Restriping the existing layout, the cost per linear foot is 52 cents per linear foot. The last bid received is from Laser Industries Incorporated from Ridge, New York. The affidavit of non-collusion has been signed and notarized. Right. New asphalt, 1.5 inches. The cost per square foot is $2 per square foot. Saw cutting, removal of asphalt, and filling 2 inches. Cost per square foot is $7 per square foot. Seal coating for 2 coats. The cost per square foot is 21 cents per square foot. Crack filling, less than 40 gallons. The cost per gallon is $85 per gallon. Crack filling greater than 400 gallons. The cost per gallon is $75 per gallon. Striping, the cost per linear foot is 75 cents per linear foot. Restriping the existing layout, the cost per linear foot is 65 cents per linear foot. That concludes the bid opening for parking lot seal coating, crack repair, and line striping. The next bid is RH 21-007 Hazardous Material Abatement. 2 responses have been received. The first response is from Boyle 18 Incorporated of East Patchogue, New York. affidavit of non-collusion has been signed and notarized. Line item number 1 is for the removal and disposal of up to and including 500 square feet of asbestos-containing ceiling tile. The estimated quantity, 500 square feet. The unit price, $13.75 per square foot. The extended price would be $6,875. Line number 2, the removal and disposal of 501 square feet or more of asbestos-containing ceiling tile. The unit price is $12.50 per square foot. The extended price would be $6,262.50. Line item number 3, the removal and disposal of up to and including 20 linear feet of asbestos-containing thermal pipe insulation. The estimated quantity is 20 linear feet. The unit price is $85 per linear foot. The extended cost is $1,700. Line item number 4, removal and disposal of 21 to 100 linear feet of asbestos-containing thermal pipe insulation. The estimated quantity is 100 linear feet. The unit price, $72.50 per linear foot. Extended price, $7,250. Line item number 5, remediation, pickup and disposal of up to 25 square feet of mold growth lead PCB material. Estimated quantity, 25 square feet. The unit price is $85 per square foot. Extended price, $2,125. Line item number 6, remediation, pickup and disposal of 26 square feet or more of mold growth lead PCB material. Estimated quantity, 26 square feet. The unit price is $80 per square foot. The extended price, $2,080. Mobilization, estimated quantity is 5 hours. The hourly rate is $95 per hour. The extended cost is $475. Line item number 8 is the labor rate for an asbestos abatement supervisor. Estimated quantity 5 hours. The rate is $98 per hour. The extended cost is $490. Line item 9, asbestos abatement worker. The estimated quantity is 5 hours. The rate is $92 per hour. The extended cost is $460. The next bid is from Pope Contracting Incorporated, Clifton, New Jersey. The affidavit of non-collusion has been signed and notarized. Line item number 1, removal and disposal of up to and including 500 square feet of asbestos-containing ceiling tile. The estimated quantity, 500 square feet. The unit price is $45 per square foot. The extended cost is $22,500. Line item number 2, removal and disposal of 501 square feet or more of asbestos-containing ceiling tile. The estimated quantity is 501 square feet. The unit price is $40 per square foot. The extended cost is $20,040. Line item 3, removal and disposal of up to and including 20 linear feet of asbestos-containing thermal pipe insulation. The estimated quantity, 20 linear feet. The unit price, $130. The extended cost is $2,600. Line item number 4, removal and disposal of 21 to 100 linear feet of asbestos-containing thermal pipe insulation. The estimated quantity, 100 linear feet. The unit price, $130 per linear foot. The extended cost is $13,000. Line item number 5, remediation, pickup and disposal of up to 25 square feet of mold growth, lead, or PCB material. The estimated quantity is 25 square feet. The unit cost is $150 per square foot. The extended cost is $3,750. Line item 6, remediation, pickup and disposal of 26 square feet or more of mold growth, lead, or PCB material. The estimated quantity is 26 square feet. The unit cost is $150 per square foot. The extended cost is $3,900. Line item 7, mobilization, 5 hours is the estimated quantity. $675 per hour. The extended price is $3,375. Line item 8, asbestos abatement supervisor. The estimated quantity is 5 hours, $120 per hour. The extended cost is $600. Line item 9, asbestos abatement worker. The estimated quantity is 5 hours. The cost is $115 per hour. The extended price is $575 per hour. Excuse me. The extended price is $575. That concludes the bid opening for RH 21007, hazardous material abatement. Final bid, RH 21008, is for bus transportation. Three proposals have been received. The first proposal is from Town Bus Corporation of Plainview, New York. And they submitted no response, that they are not interested. The next proposal is from Adelworth Bus Corporation of Eastport, New York. The affidavit of non-collusion has been signed and notarized. All right, line item number 1. School bus transportation, 60 to 66 person capacity bus, $114 per hour. Line item 2, school bus transportation, 18 to 22 person capacity bus, $102 per hour. Line item 3, school bus transportation, a wheelchair van, $102 per hour. There's also a side note that says the minimum billing will be 3 hours for each trip. Final bid proposal is received from Suffolk Transportation Service Incorporated of Bayshore, New York. The affidavit of non-collusion has been signed and notarized. Line item 1, school bus transportation, 60 to 66 person capacity bus, $124.45 per hour. Line item number 2, school bus transportation, 18 to 22 person capacity bus, $109.30 per hour. Line item 3, school bus transportation, wheelchair van, $109.30 per hour. That concludes today's bid opening. Thank you very much. Wish you all the best.
Oh, sorry. No, I'm sorry. I'm sorry about that. I think it's over. I think I have to talk to her or something. I have to stop something. Okay.